Here's a little hack for you to try and preserve your muscle mass as you get older, especially when you're as old as me. Hi, my name is Perry Vanakis and I am the founder of Nutrition 90. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Sarcopenia is a condition that is an indicative of you losing muscle as we get older. It happens to everyone, and it's a case of what happens is you lose the muscle, you become weaker, you become frail, you can't move, you can't climb up a set of stairs. Yeah, it's quite bad. So that's why I try and teach people that through nutrition is one of the key components to try and prevent you from losing muscle. One of the key components of your macronutrients that you should be focusing on is protein. Now, sometimes we struggle to get the right amount of protein in there through the day. You might be busy, you might have a lifestyle that doesn't allow you to get that protein source in, and being a high quality protein source like an animal protein. And so therefore, how do we get around it? What's a little hack to save your day? Protein powder, whey protein isolate, a great powder to use through the day as a snack. Just get in there, you make sure you get a high quality one, of course, obviously. Try and keep all the nasties that are in that to a minimum. I use a company known as the Good Protein Company because they use the New Zealand whey, which is one of the best whey protein powders in the world. And basically have it as a shake through the day. Have one or two through the day to supplement your food, not to replace your food, to supplement. But it's a great way to do it because what happens is that if you're not getting the right amount of protein, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, for a week, 2 weeks, you're going to start losing muscle. And as we get older, we want to try and maintain as much muscle and mass as we can so we can get up that flight of stairs. So go out and kick a footy with your kids. You don't want to accept the fact that getting old means you get frail. You get frail, then issues start to occur. So a little hack, quite simple. Get yourself some whey protein isolated, keep it in a shaker, ready to go, bang, add some water, add some milk, whatever you like, put it down, have a drink through the day, keep your protein intake up and keep those muscles nice and strong. Have a great day.